Hey everyone, this is my review of the Logitech wireless keyboard. It hooks up to your computer using the USB wireless connector. It has a full keypad on it, and it has tilt stands that you just pop up in the back to you can have it angled towards you and just flipped up, flip down, and it uses two AA batteries here, and is a slot right here for you to put the USB wireless adapter that you will plug into your computer. I like this keypad because it's wireless, so I can not have to be near the computer to use it. Use the keypad anywhere I'm at. So I hope this review